Friends, welcome again. Now, today we are continuing the lesson environmental management. In my previous video, we learned that means relation between ecosystem and environment, and that means importance of a biogeochemical cycle. Wow, this cycle is very important. We learned from the previous video also the factors affect the environment. Then industrializations, suppose any factor will be increase or decrease, what will be the impact on the ecosystem and indirectly on the environment. In that environment, so many points, that means factors affect the environment. In this point, in this topic, we learn environmental pollution. Now we reason for the pollution. What is the reason for the pollution? Pollution, explosion, fast industrialization, indiscriminate use of natural resources, deforestation and unplanned urbanization are the factor of a pollution environment. That means, what is the reason for pollution? Fast growing industrialization, very fast. So many industries. After industrial revolution from 17th 18th century, it will be going fast. Nowadays it will be going as fast as compared with previous. Due to advanced technology and science, various artificial changes, that means industries, various changes in the industries. Various industries are present: leather industry, food industry, electronic industry, various industries are present. Industry like the chemical industries, medical, biomedical, fertilizer industry, chemical industry, that means pharmaceutical industry. That means population explosion. First, population explosion. Second, industrialization, fast growing industrialization. Then indiscriminate use of natural resources. We use natural resources unlimited. We cannot take care about this. Some resources, that means of fossil fuels, are limited sources. Various resources, then deforestation, unplanned urbanization. That means deforestation, unplanned, that means urbanization are various factors, that means the reasons of the pollution, due to which pollution is increased. Population increased, pollution increased. That means industrialization increased, pollution increased. Then indiscriminate use of natural resources. Plastic, man-made particles or man-made object, which plastic, the object plastic cannot be dissolved easily in few years. Plastic takes hundreds, thousands of years for decomposition. So it will be make a pollution. Very danger part. Plastic is very dangerous, but we use various sectors. Plastic is very, from packing small. If we take any food packets, it will be nowadays it will be given in the paper packing. Before that it will be usually in the plastic, which is non-decomposable, non-degradable factor or part. So like this, so many things are make a pollution. That means reason behind the pollution. What is point? A reason for pollution. These are reasons. Population, that means population explosion, fast growing industrialization, then deforestation, indiscriminate use of natural resources, and unplanned urbanization. These are major 5 points for reason for the pollution. Then what is our responsibility? Then question is that What is our responsibility? Population of air, water, noise, soil, thermal, light pollution are different types of pollution that causes adverse effect. It ultimately affects the existence of all living organisms on the earth. Thus, it is our responsibility to curtail polluting substances and aim at environmental conservation. Various types of pollutions, which air pollution, which is made by us, carbon monoxide we use on the earth, thousands, lakhs of vehicles are present by which hazardous carbon monoxide sprayed in air. Second, water. Due to industrializations, toxic and hazardous material mixed with the water. This is the second part. Then noise pollution, air traffic, railways, vehicles, horns, industrialization noise, which creates a noise pollution. Also soil pollution, maximum use of a chemical fertilizers damages the soil. That means the fertility of the soil will be decreased due to use of a maximum use of a fertilizers. Then thermal, light pollutions. These are different types of pollution and that causes adverse effect. It ultimately affects existence of all living organisms. That means they make adverse effect on all living organisms present on the earth. Thus, our responsibility is to curtail polluting substances and add environmental conservation. Okay. Then, which are types of pollution? That means pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, land pollutions are main types of pollution. In addition, light pollution, plastic pollution, noise pollution, radioactive pollutions are also other hazardous types of pollution. Basically 4 types, which are air, water, soil, land. These are main types of pollution. But addition to these, light pollution, plastic pollution, noise pollution, radioactive pollution, these are hazardous additional pollutions. Now, radioactive pollution is caused by the following 2 causes. Radioactive pollution, natural radiations and man-made or artificial radiation. Natural processes such as ultraviolet rays and infrared radiation. Ultraviolet rays and infrareds, due to which natural radiations and man-made or artificial X-rays and radiations emitted from the atomic energy plant. From the atomic energy we create large amount of energy which is very useful on the peoples on the earth. Major mishaps on the international levels. Okay, Corona by wind scale and 3 miles islands missions. Due to these accidents, thousands of people have been affected for a long term. Artificial, that means X-rays radiation emitted by atomic energy plant. We all of knows what are atomic radiation effect of atomic radiation. In Second World War, America and Japan, at that time America threw atom bomb on the Nagasaki and Hiroshima on Japan. 30, 40, 50 years, the impact of these radiations on the people on Japan. This is atomic radiation pollution. Atomic energy radiation pollution of these atomic pollutions. Okay, when atomic bomb blast on Nagasaki and Hiroshima, huge amount of energy and ultraviolet rays, infrareds comes and impact on the peoples. These are radioactive pollution. Effect of radiation. What is the effect of radiation? cancerous uncertainties due to X-rays, cancerous uncertainty due to X-rays, destruction of a body tissues, change in genes, and adverse effect on vision. These are effect of radiations. Now, a need of environmental conservation. What is the need? Need of environmental conservation. Discussion of environmental problems in 1972 at Stockholm conference arranged on human and environment. Later establishment of United Nations Environment Program UNICEF. In India, discussion of environmental issues took place in 4th Planning Commission. A separate environmental department was established later. Ministry of Environment and Forest started various programs since 1985 in planning, inducting and increasing awareness about environment and forest. That means need of environment. Discussion of environmental problem in 1972 at Stockholm conference arranged on human and environment in 1972 at UNO. Then later establishment of United Nations Environment Program in UNICEF. In India, environmental issue took place in the 4th Planning Commission. A separate environmental department is established later. Now, Ministry of Environmental and Forest started various programs to bring awareness in the people about environment and forest. That means need of environmental conservation. Now, people's participation. For that awareness, people's participation must be important. Awareness about environmental conservation, rules and laws should be developed for the common people. Large scale participation of the people in the environment conservation can bring about environmental protection and effective conservation. Values like positive attitude towards the environment and knowledge and quest for the conservation should be imbibed right from the school days. Increasing environmental awareness through the schools and colleges is essential. Every nation has their own future plans about environmental protection for this purpose, and they have formulated the laws. That means what is our responsibility? It means people's participation, awareness about the environment conservation, rule and laws should be developed for the common people. What are rules? What are laws? Don't disturb the environment. It is very essential and need of today's. Large scale participation of the people in the environmental conservation can bring about environmental protection and effective conservation. Various like positive attitude towards the environment and knowledge and quest for the conservation should be imbibed right from the school days. Increasing environmental awareness through the schools and colleges also. Every nation has their own plan about the environmental protection, and for this purpose they have formulated laws. Every nation formulated a particular law for conserving the environment. For that purpose, making awareness from the childhood, from the school, colleges, also various companies, the people are working, also make awareness about the environment. Okay, then environmental conservation and our social responsibility. What is environmental conservation? Human environmental interrelationship existed since origin of a man. Human being has become supreme on the earth. Human being is a supreme power on the earth due to his intelligence, memory, imagination, creative ability, etc. Why human is a supreme on the earth? Because of his intelligence, memory, imagination, creative ability, due to which human being is a supreme power. But humans environmental interrelationship exhibited origin of a man. Human has used up natural resources without any thought. The development process have caused extreme damage of environment. That means we used various natural resources, unlimited natural resources, without any thinking, without any thought for the development process. So it extreme damage the environment. Maintaining environmental balance is a duty of humans. Maintaining environmental balance is a duty of humans. Since we have distributed the environmental balance, only we should think of protection and conservation of nature. We have distributed environmental balance. Only we should think about protection of and conservation of natures. Okay? That means in this video we learn environmental pollution, reasons for the pollution, our responsibility, radioactive pollution, effect of radiations, need of environmental conservation, people's responsibility, and environmental conservation, our social responsibility. This is very important for us. From this you can know what is need of why environmental conservation is needful for the future generation. Otherwise it will be make a inverse effect or adverse effect on the every living organism on the earth. Okay, today we stop here and continue in the next video. Okay, thank you.